Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna attempt to fix this shower lever. These are the parts were exposed. That's been exposed by the last guy who left the job. And here are the parts. And we're gonna do our best to fix this problem today. All right, so we went to the hardware store and got a Mixet shower tub stem unit. Retaining nut. You need to put the brass washer on the inside. Slide this in as such, and insert. Alright, so we just got some Teflon tape and we're removing the retaining nut to put some Teflon tape on the threaded surfaces, so in the future, you know, if we have to service it and take it out, it'll be a lot easier to meddle with, so it won't bind to the valve itself from corrosion. That's it, man. There's really not much else to say about that.
Yes, sir.
Here we're back. We're going to put the trim pieces on for this Mixet apartment grade shower valve, and we were hoping to recycle the old unit, but we're missing parts from it. This piece right here controls the temperature, which controls the white piece. This controls the volume of flow. Hey guys and gals, thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any ideas for home improvement or repair gigs you'd like to see, please leave me a comment below. Our takeaway from this repair is that the trim piece controlling the temperature should be pushed in all the way against the wall so it doesn't bind with the volume as illustrated here. Thanks again, and good luck.